We're currently on step 9 of a series talking about Power Apps and how we can create a Power App. And today we're going to talk about how to place this text right up in here in the blue here and make it a menu that you can run across the bottom of your page. So stand by, we're going to jump right into it. So go ahead and open up your Power App. Here I've just created a new screen here and I've called it second page. Remember, in another video we have this button that we created with the navigate control. We're going to do that again here. What I've done here is I want to do a welcome page. I want to say welcome page right here. And I'm going to go ahead and zoom up. I'm doing that by holding my control key down and just spinning my mouse forward. And so now we can kind of see a little better, a little more screen here for us. Here I want to insert, and what I've insert, this is a label, so I've clicked on label. Come up here and I've typed it in welcome page. And I'm just going to double click on that and I'm going to turn that text into size 10. Okay, so because we don't want it overwhelming for the top of that page, right? So we're just going to put in size 10. So you can do that any way that you want and view the other videos. I think it's step 4 or 5 where we talk about modifying this text, but we're just going to do this. All right, and then we're going to go down here and we're going to turn this text into white. Now, the important step here, don't lose the text. So there it is right there. So we're going to put welcome page in. And here, instead, I'm going to put a little bar in. I'm holding my shift key down. And this bar is right above your return key on your keyboard. So kind of over to your right there, a couple up from shift. So hold down the shift key, welcome page. It's going to kind of look like that, okay? So that's pretty easy. Let's make it a little bit smaller. Let's make it 8. Okay. Now, let's go ahead and add a navigate command to this. Now, notice here that it says here text, and see here text. What I want to do is I want to search on, I don't want it text anymore. I want it OnSelect. So I'm going to click on OnSelect. Now, I could have also, if I wanted to, gone here and went to OnSelect here for the action. So there's 2 ways to get it. I just kind of use this one this time to show you. I'm just going to type in navigate, and then we want to type in what the target is. Now the target, as you can see here, it says welcome screen. That's what we want right there, welcome screen. So we're just going to type in welcome, and notice how welcome screen comes up. We're just going to click on that bad boy. Then we're going to hit a comma, but we're not going to hit the space bar, just a comma. And notice here we have our transitions. We're going to just do a transition cover. Then we're going to close out that parenthesis, and now bada bing, it works. So here we have welcome page right here, but it's kind of hard to see. Notice how my cursor changes, but it's going to work, right? There's the welcome page, but it's not really doing what we want it to do. So let's go ahead and give it a little more pizzazz here, or down here on second page, and let's just click on that. And we're going to go back to properties here. We're going to go down here, and we're going to say when we hover, oh no, there's that FX command again. Well, that's okay. We can just delete that. Go right here. When we hover, we're going to turn it into this orange right here. Okay? So every time we hover on it, it's going to turn orange for us. Then we'll know when we're kind of, oh, wait a minute, there's something we can do, right? I'll give you a little more. Whoops. Reset that. So here, see how it turns orange? And then all of a sudden, now you're on the page. So that's as easy as it is to kind of set up text. We use the buttons, but we can also just do normal text. Now you can apply this concept to anything. I could have an image on this page. I could just go to the OnSelect right here and put it in the navigate command, and I'll be good to go.